Honorable committee and everybody, I am Batun Songbun Ketkun from Thailand, creative in merge refurbish puzzle. In implementation, coding aren't in the perfect puzzle. It can create in the funny for children who become the players. Its puzzles provide in the easy paying and difficult paying. This challenge in the manage in the proper material such as plastic, aluminum, wood, and so on. In very the process just perform with touching screen display as social media like smartphone or cellular phone, tablet, notebook, personal computer, and preparation tool is management is quick and easy deal produce in the model navigation and following this mouse or keyboard, touch in screen, talk in microphone, build code language with extended keyboard in any language. Instruction person be passed in the proper kind of name, so the exercise in the perfect management in the CMS and CIM. Player can integrate with owner or nodes. This opportunity develops in competition around the world with fun and happy. Benefits of the players time. Everyone can access in the person and the time. Selection in the name choice in the signature or any place. Everyone can access in the person and the place. Social media managed in any vendor or not of the network. They can only connect in direct or search the end. Thank you very much, committee and everybody watch on episodes from YouTube. Bye bye.